Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about the uses of the plane mirror. Today, we will be learning about the keywords and the objectives of this chapter. Okay, children. Just if you can see over here, keywords are very important. Compulsory from each and every lesson, we should learn the keywords. Okay. In the keywords, first word is the reflection. Reflection. What do you mean by reflection? Reflection means the bouncing back of the light into the same medium. Reflection. The bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as a reflection. Okay. We are having of laws of reflection. That is the incident ray, normal, and refracted ray lie in the incident ray, normal, reflected ray lie in the same plane, and the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of the reflection. Next, he is asking about the incident ray. Incident ray. This is the incident ray. The light ray which is incident at a point. The light ray which is incident at a point is called as a incident ray. The light ray which is incident at a point is called as a incident ray. Next, normal. Normal means, see here, incident ray. And normal is the perpendicular line. The perpendicular line drawn to any of the surface is called as a normal. Next, reflected ray. Okay, reflected ray. Okay, reflected ray is the light ray which bounces back into the same medium after the incidence from the point of incidence is called as a reflected ray. Okay, next, point of incidence. Point of incidence means the point at which the light ray is incidented is called as a point of incidence. The point at which the light ray is incidented is called as a point of incidence. Next, we are having the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray, okay, and the normal is called as the angle of incidence. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called as the angle of incidence. Next, we are having of angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. The angle between the incident ray, the angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called as the angle of reflection. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called as the angle of reflection. Next, plane of reflection. Plane of reflection. Okay, plane of reflection. It is the plane where the reflection takes place. It is called as the plane of reflection. Next, lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means sidewards inversion. Left becomes right, right becomes left is called as a lateral inversion. Okay, lateral inversion. Next, object distance. Object distance. What do you mean by object distance? The distance between the object and the mirror. is called as the object distance. The distance between the object and the mirror is called as the object distance. Next, image distance. Image distance. Image distance. The distance between the image and the mirror is called as the image distance. Already we learned in detail about what is object distance and image distance. Here we are revising once again about the object distance and the image distance. Object distance is the distance between the object and the mirror. Image distance is the distance between the image and the mirror. Normally object distance is denoted with the letter U, whereas the image distance is denoted with the letter V. Okay. Next, virtual image. Virtual image. Virtual image. Virtual image is the image where it cannot be caught on the screen. Okay. The image which is formed in the plane mirror, inside the plane mirror, is called as the virtual image. The image which is formed inside the mirror is called as the plane mirror. Sorry, it is the virtual image. Next we are having of real image. Real image. Real image. The image which can be caught on the screen is called as the real image. The image which can be caught on the screen is called as the real image. Okay. Real image. Whenever when you go to a movie, it forms of what? Real image. The image which is projected by the projector in your digital classroom, it is a real image. Why? Because it is forming on the screen. These are the keywords. These are the keywords of, okay, here we are having of these keywords. These are the keywords of this one. Reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, plane of reflection, lateral inversion, object distance, image distance, virtual image, real image. Okay, next here are some of the points. Light selects the path which takes the least time to travel, which we call it as Fermat principle. It is also applicable to the reflection of the light. Image of a real image, real object in a plane mirror is virtual. That means here in the plane mirror, the image whatever that is formed, it is a virtual image. It is an erected image and it is having of the same size of the image object. And here the image in a plane mirror appears to be small. The image in a plane mirror appears to be small because of the small angle subtended at our eye. That means as the smaller angle is subtended at the eye, due to of that reason the image appears as smaller in size. Next, image in a plane mirror suffers lateral inversion. That means in a plane mirror, normally plane mirror suffers the lateral inversion. Okay children, right. Next, coming to the choose the correct multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. See here children, here we can able to see. Okay, here angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. This rule is explained by dash principle. Is it Fermat principle? Is it Newton principle, Archimedes or Pascal? It is the Fermat principle. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection is explained by Fermat. That's why we say it as the Fermat principle. Therefore, the option is A. Next, which of the following letters doesn't suffer lateral inversion? Which is not supporting of the lateral inversion? Is it C? Normally C. Okay, C we can place to the other side. That means it suffers the lateral inversion. Normally, if a letter C is there, when it is kept in when it is placed in the mirror, it appears as like this. It suffers. Next, O, whether you place the O this side or that side, it will be giving the same. Next, B, normally you will be getting of B like this. Okay, N. Okay, N. N. Okay, you will be getting of the N like this. Okay, therefore this is the lateral which suffers the lateral inversion. This also suffers the lateral inversion. This also suffers the lateral inversion. Which is the letter which does not support the lateral inversion? He is asking. Therefore, O is the one which suffers the lateral inversion. Therefore, which of the letters doesn't suffer the lateral inversion? Means here O doesn't support the lateral inversion. Next, a ray of light incident at a plane at an angle of 90 to its surface. What will be the angle of reflection? What is the angle of the reflection? That means when a light ray, if it is incident on a plane mirror, light ray is incident on a plane mirror, and what will be the angle of reflection? What will be the angle of the reflection, he is asking. Is it 90 degrees? Is it 0 degrees? Is it 90 degrees? Is it 45 or it is 180? Normally, when a light ray is passing at the right angles, it doesn't suffer any reflection. Therefore, the angle made by it is a 0 angle. 0 angle. Okay, it is doesn't suffer any reflection, angle of reflection. Therefore, it is what? 0 degrees. If you move an object from the plane mirror to the size, seems to be when we move an object from the plane mirror, when we are moving of the object farther and farther, what happens? The size of the image. Okay, the size of the image, is it increasing or decreasing? Is it decreases? It decreases. It decreases. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to the image in a plane mirror? Image, is it erect in a plane mirror? Yes, image is erect. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object? Yes, size of the object is equal to the size of the image. Next, is it laterally inverted? Yes, it is laterally inverted. Is it image is real? No, image is not real, it is virtual. Image is virtual. Therefore, what is the answer? The answer is image is real is the answer. That is, it is not real, it is virtual. Therefore, he is asking that incorrect statement. Therefore, image is real is the incorrect statement. Okay, children? Right. Okay. The remaining we will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you.